I think we'll pick up some trash while we're here. Actually, that's not too bad. Some of the places that we stop, I could pick up a whole bag of trash. This is what we're hiking today. We're going to try at least find Indian rock. We don't have a lot of time. Can you get a drink down there? Can you get a drink? Huh? I brought Star some Paul salve today. She got her hair trimmed between her toes yesterday. So I just wanted to make sure that if she got her feet a little raw today, I'd be able to treat them tonight. I brought me some dude wipes because you never know when nature might call when you're hiking. So I hope we can find this elephant rock. I haven't been out hiking for quite some time, and I'm starting to feel it, so I needed this. I do have the GoPro 9, so the only thing bad about the GoPro 9s is that the batteries, people really complain about the battery length on the GoPro, so she has to walk right through the water. I guess that'll help cool her off. But anyway, people complain about the battery length on the GoPro 9, so I brought my battery pack and an extension charging cord in case we videoed more than we had planned. Boy, it feels good to get out here. We are just a few miles inside the Pennsylvania line. So, and this is called the North Country Trail. From what I understand, this trail is a really, really long trail. It goes through many, many states. So, as far as I know, the research that I've done on it, I started researching North Country Trail and I thought it was just in PA, but it took me to Minnesota, it took me to Wisconsin. So this trail travels through many states. I'm to a river or a big creek. There is the trestle that I saw in the pics. Oh, it's got a swing. You can swing and jump off. That's cool. That is up there. Somebody had to, look, climb up this tree to put that swing up, and that is high. That is at least 50 feet, folks. 50 feet. I think she wants to go over here and try to get a drink. Come on. Come on. That's just a swing. I believe this is just a side trail off the North Country Trail. with her new Seresto collar, the ticks are killed just by getting on her. With the Next Guard, the tablet, the chewables that she used to take, that she would no longer take, they had to bite her before they died. Oh, you all's gonna get a laugh. I want to thank one of my subscribers. I want to thank Joe from Joe's Outdoor Places. And he knows what he done. But if you don't follow Joe's Outdoor Places, I would encourage you to follow Joe's Outdoor Places. When I talk about doctor bills or hospital bills piling up, I'm not asking for money. I really am not. So please do not send money. We are doing just fine. I think we're getting closer. I flea and tick spray, but I don't think I'm going to need it. It's pretty wide open back in here. There's no tall grass right now, anyway, for me to walk through. And the sun is intermittent. We got shade and sun mixed to walk in, so that helps. How many times you going to go to the bathroom, Star? Oh well. We're having fun. There has been reports of a new flea, tick, and heartworm preventative that has been killing dogs. So Star took the Next Guard for probably a year and 8 months before we switched her. Can you imagine all the medicinal plants we probably pass when walking a mile down one of these trails? No blazes on this trail, so we are at a Y. So, do we go that way? Or do we go that way? Let's try this one, Star. Seemed like they would be marked with blazes. Now there is yellow on that tree, I see. You can see right now where that just goes up there to some place where somebody's dumping loads of gravel. Let's go this way, Star. This is some type of habitat. Over there, there's a box for some type of fowl, birds. There's something over there. So it looks like there is a freshwater stream running in over there. Runs over there. here in the shade and give Star a drink and get me a drink. I was thirsty. I know when she starts trying to eat grass that she is thirsty because there's moisture in grass. Grass also helps their stomach. She's warm. I gotta get her back. I'll give me a quick drink and we'll head on back. Gotta watch out not to drink too much on these hot days. You're gonna be exerting yourself and hiking. May have found something. I missed this altogether coming up. I just saw a sign that says this trail runs from North Dakota to Vermont. I hear a noise in the direction we're going, and it's the same noise that I heard when I parked my truck, so I feel we're going in the right direction. There's a yellow blaze. So instead of taking the left and going back trying to find Indian Rock, I think we're just going to turn right, head back to the highway. Sounds like a plan. We changed our mind. We're going to see if we can go find that Indian Rock. Ooh, come on. Come on, go this way. We was way down in a valley. So, get back up here on top. Come on, this way. Stay on the trail. You're always trying to get off the trail, Star. See, something's been working on this tree. It looks like it has some type of mushroom or something growing on the side. You can't probably see it, but right straight through there, that's probably about 150 foot tall, and this right here broke off and came down. So this is so neat through here. If you look through there, there's another rock cliff, I would say about 75 foot tall. Something tells me these switchbacks are going to take us right up on top of that 150 foot cliff. We'll see. Should have her harness on because then if she went over, I'd be able to grab her. Right now this is tacked to her collar and I don't like it. I'm a sissy, but I took my pack off. I don't know whether you can see down through there or not. These switchbacks goes over there and over there and then back down there. This is something. This is almost straight up. You okay? Are you ready for this? You want to keep going? You don't want to go down there. We have made it to the top. Someone's made a makeshift bushcraft shelter over here. There is Indian Rock. Now, how it got its name, I don't know. I'll try to research it. But this would be very well fortified up here. There's only one way up, one way down. So, yeah. I don't know whether the Indians stayed up here at one time or what. So, yeah, we found it. We're going to head back. Wait a second, Star. Stop. I am lost, but we do have service up here. We are that red dot, and you can see where my truck's parked. So it says we're 3 minutes by vehicle from the truck. So, yeah, we aren't too lost. I had no idea where we were. My pack. I'm a sissy, you guys. I'm old, so I left it 4 switchbacks from the top. It's 15 less pounds I gotta carry. I do gotta get her a drink when we get down here at the bottom, and me a drink. Well, everybody, if you had told me that we had to almost go straight up 150 feet to get to Indian Rock, and I have called it Elephant Rock most of the way through this little video that we're doing here, I'd have probably wussed out, because I'm old. That is hard. The blue blazes on this trail are moderate. The yellows are easy, but when you get to the last little leg of the hunt for Indian Rock, it's hard. So I still haven't got my breath. It was easier coming down. Of course, you had to steady yourself coming down too. But there was switchback after switchback. I ended up taking my pack off about halfway up. About 4 switchbacks from the top. So, but we did find it. And I'm glad of that. And I'm glad I didn't give up. And hope you've enjoyed this little video. And Star and I, we think we can find the truck. Okay. And remember, I guess I should add, don't stop dreaming and never give up. So y'all remember to love each other, never stop dreaming, and never give up. All right? We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.